Good morning, everyone. Welcome to e-learning class of social science. Today we are going to continue lesson 1 of geography, that is the earth in the solar system. Dear students, today we are going to study about the planets and the other celestial bodies. In the solar system, the first four planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are composed mostly of rocks and are called inner planets and have few or no moon. The outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are mostly huge, gaseous, ringed, and have many moons. These planets are light and move quickly. These are also known as gas giants or the outer planets. All planets are spherical in shape, but their composition and sizes are different. In order of distance from the Sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury, Buddha. It is closest to the Sun. This is the smallest planet in the solar system and has no moon. Life is not possible on this planet as there is no water and atmosphere around this planet. Mercury has no moon. Venus, Shukra. It is the second planet from the Sun and closest to the Earth. It is the brightest planet in the solar system. Its size is almost the same as that of Earth and it has no moon. Earth, Prithvi. It is the third planet from the Sun and the only planet to have life on it. It revolves around the Sun and also rotates on its axis, causing day and night. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has life. There is a thin blanket of air surrounding the earth called atmosphere. The right temperature range, the presence of water, suitable atmosphere, and the blanket of ozone supports life on earth. The earth is unique among the planets of the solar system because earth is the only planet which has liquid water on its surface. More than 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. That's why earth is called the blue planet. Mars, Mangal. It is red in color and hence called red planet. It has a large amount of water as ice is found on polar caps. It is believed that there is some possibility of plant life on this planet. It has two moons. Jupiter, Brihaspati. This is the largest planet of the solar system. Its surface is cold and is made up of several gases like hydrogen, helium, and methane. It has 67 moons. It is popularly called the mini solar system. Saturn, Shani. It is a unique planet because it has three beautiful rings around it, possibly made up of ice. It has very low temperature and it has 62 moons. Uranus, Arun. It is made up of gases and has rings around the equator. It is very far away from the sun and there is no possibility of life on it. It has 27 moons. Neptune, Varun. It is farthest from the sun. Neptune and Uranus have similar size and structure, hence, they are often called twin planets. Neptune was discovered by a German astronomer in 1846. It is a lifeless cold desert and has 14 moons. Now we will read about the satellites. Upgrah. Satellites are small heavenly bodies which revolve around the planets. All the planets revolve around the sun. The satellites move with them. As a result, the satellites also revolve around the sun. Like planets, satellites shine by reflecting light from the sun. All planets except Mercury and Venus have satellites. The Earth has only one satellite called the Moon. The Moon is the largest and brightest object in the night sky. It is the only natural satellite of the Earth. The Moon is the nearest neighbor of the Earth. Moon orbits the Earth. As the Moon revolves around the Earth, its shape seems to change every night. We see varying amount of sunlit part called phases of the Moon. The surface of the Moon has many deep holes called craters. There are rocky mountains and flat area also. We only find dust and rocks on the Moon. In 1969, American astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first man to walk on the Moon. Now we will read about the other celestial bodies. Meteoroids. They are shooting stars that crash into Earth's atmosphere. When they come near the Earth's atmosphere, as a result of friction, they begin to glow and are also called as meteors. When such shooting stars are still in the solar system but could enter the Earth's atmosphere, they are called as meteoroids. Asteroids. Between Mars and Jupiter lies a belt of small bodies called asteroids. Many scientists and astronomers believe that asteroids are fragments of a planet which exploded long time ago. Comets. Comets are glowing objects made up of ice and dust with long tails. They are often described as the dirty snowballs. The most famous Halley's Comet appears after every 76 years. So, students, Hope you have understood the topics. For better understanding, read the lesson 2 or 3 times and write the question answers in your fair notebook of social science in neat handwriting. Thank you. Have a nice day.